Hi everyone, I'm Avni and in this video I will show you how I made this book cover. This is a super easy and beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started. For this pattern I use 5 mm hook and I use size 400% acrylic yarn, but you can use any hook size and yarn for this. So I will start by making a slip knot, and to make a slip knot hold your yarn over like this and then wrap it around your finger making an X and then turn it and then insert your hook and pull it out like this. So now I will start by making chains equal to the length of the book that I want. So basically I will make chains which covers the length like this, and the number of chains should be a multiple of 4 plus 1. So to make chains, I'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, I will make chains. I made 33 chains, which is basically 32 chains plus 1. So now to start row 1, we're gonna make 1 chain, and now we're gonna make single crochets all across this row. To make a single crochet, insert your hook in the second stitch from the hook and then pull up a loop and then yarn over, pull through 2. Again, insert your hook, pull up a loop and then yarn over and pull through 2. Now I'm going to make it till I reach the last stitch. Now I've reached the last stitch, and in the last stitch I will make 3 single crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now I'll turn my work and then I'll make single crochets in these back loops. So over here, so I'll start by making 1, 2, and I'll make till the end over here, the last back stitch. In the last stitch I will make 2 single crochets, so 1 and 2. Now I'll make a slip stitch in the first stitch that we made, so this one. So this stitch, and then pull up a loop and then pull through this. Now I'll make chain 1 and then I'll make a single crochet in the same stitch, and I'll mark it with a stitch marker. Now for round 2 we just have to make single crochets all across, so till all of this and till here, till the last stitch. I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 1 and again a single crochet in the same stitch. I'm gonna mark it with the stitch marker. Now I will make 2 more single crochets. Now I'll make the first heart. So to make a heart is just like a single crochet. So insert your hook. Now instead of using this pink yarn to pull up, I will take my white yarn and I will pull up using this. And then I'll take again the pink yarn and then yarn over and pull through these 2. Now I'll make 3 single crochets and make sure that you carry this yarn with you. So 1, 2 and 3. Again I'll make a heart, so insert my hook, pull up using the white one and then yarn over with pink and then pull through these 2. So just repeat this until you reach the end. So make 3 single crochets and 1 heart. Now for round 4, again I'll make a slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Now just make single crochets all across, and there's no need to carry over this white yarn. Now for round 5, I have already made 1 single crochet. Now I'll start by making a heart in the second stitch. So again, pull up with the white one and then yarn over and pull through 2 with the pink one. Now I'll just follow the same steps of 3 single crochet and 1 heart until I reach the end of the round. So I'm done with round 5, and now just repeat rounds 2 to 5 until it covers the whole book. So I have made somewhere around 28 rows, and I'll show you how it looks on my book as well. So this is how it looks on my book, and just make sure that the last round is the one with single crochets only. So to end this round, I'm gonna make a slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 1, and I'm gonna cut it. And I'll also cut this white yarn as well. And I'll just weave in these extra threads. Now I'll make the heart. So to make a heart, we'll start by making a magic ring or a magic circle. For that, hold a yarn like this, wrap it around your finger, making a cross, and then insert your hook like this, and then make a chain 1. And now make another chain. So we have 2 chains. Now I'll make a triple crochet. So for that, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make 2 more triple crochets. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. Yarn over twice, and then pull through 2 loops. Now make 3 double crochets. For that, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make 2 more double crochets like this. Now make 1 chain and then 1 triple crochet. Now again 1 chain and then 3 double crochets. And the third one. And now make 3 triple crochets. I'm making the last triple crochet. Now make 2 chains and then slip stitch inside the loop. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through this one, and then just pull this yarn and then close the loop. Chain 1 and fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. Now sew the heart somewhere over here, not too down, like somewhere in the middle, and make sure you only sew from the middle part, not like the whole part, just like somewhere in the middle, so that you can, put your heart like this as well. So from here. So now I have attached the heart, and now for the last round we will make single crochets using the white stitch. So I have attached the yarn over here, and I'll start by making a chain and then single crocheting in the same stitch. So make single crochets until you reach somewhere over here. So single crochet until you reach somewhere over here in the middle, and now we'll start making chains. 1, 2, 3. Now that you made your chain, this is how the chain will go from under the heart, and then again start your single crochet from here. Make sure that the chain is not too short or not too long, and you can measure this by using your book before you complete it. So I'll just show you how. So I'll put my book in it, and this is how it goes. Well, it's not too short or too long, and since my book is thick, I made somewhere around 20 chains. Now just complete by making single crochets until the end. Now I'll end the round by making a slip stitch in the first stitch and then chain 1 and fasten off. Weave this extra yarn. So there you go. You have your book cover and it looks really good. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.